laban ko yung sarili ko. Oo, sarili ko. Ang pinakamalakas na kalaban talaga sarili ko. Sarili mo, sarili mo. Yun ang kalaban natin, hindi nila. Kaya kailangan maging confident lang tayo. Kapag ginabahan tayo, maunahan tayo. Diba? Alam mo yung game mo. Ano yung game mo? Ikaw mag-hesitate mo.
Players who are qualified, Leon Jack and Shannon, and Tanjing Sean versus Rizal and Era Renterio. Dito si Court number 5. Players for court number 7, Joy Atitubo and Ivy Lagura versus Jerry Kawayan and Dito si court number 7. Players for court number 6, Wilson Tofo and Shanzi Jan versus Panesh and Bench Resurrection. Please proceed to court number 6. Players for court number 7, Joya Tatibo and Ivy Igura versus Gurley Kawayan and Ivy. Please proceed to court number 7. Players for court number 9, Nick Electrical and Mohamed Fayaz versus Brenda Ko and Ayan Khan. Please proceed to court number 9. Standby players for court number 3, Ernie and Dennis Go versus Caleb P. and Alan Reyes. Standby players for court number 5, Carly Asiman and Rico Farial versus Benedict and Jonathan Chen. Standby at court number 5. Standby players for court number 10, Yanni Gonzalez and Nandri Nova versus Marian Delano and Yon Kwan Lee. Standby players of court 10. Players for court number 3, Ernie and Dennis Go versus Caleb T. and Alan Reyes. Please proceed to court number 3. Players for court number 6, Wilson Tofo and Chan Zijan versus Panesh and Bench Resurrection. Please proceed to court number 3.
Wala, server. Apo. Stand by for 10.
Players for court number 10, Yanni Gonzalez and Nandri Nova versus Marian Delano and Yon Kwan Lee. Please proceed to court number 10. Standby players for court number 5, Carly Asiman and Rico Farial versus Benedict and Jonathan Chen. Standby players for court number 4, Jack and Joseph Lee versus Carlo and Chong Tan. Standby players for court number 2, Jefferson Rivera and Tonton Adaconia versus Arian Almanzura and Hidayat Ginra. Standby players for court number 2. Standby players for court number 8, Jacobo Bigdina and Noel Royong versus Arnel Luya and Tony Atienza. Standby players at court number 8.
Brother.
Yeah, this one. This one.
Court number 6, umpire, please start the game. Here's for court number 5, Benedict and Jonathan Chen. Please proceed to court number 5. Players for court number 4, Jack and Joseph Ling and versus Carlo and Chongtan. Please proceed to court number 4. Players for court number 2, Jefferson Rivera and Donald Laguardia versus Ariel Navajola and Hidayat bin Ramos.